To create a new Flutter project in Vscode, start by installing the Flutter extension if you have not already done so. Open Vscode and navigate to the Extensions panel by clicking the Extensions icon in the left sidebar or pressing Ctrl-Shift-X. Search for Flutter in the Extensions Marketplace and click the Install button next to the Flutter extension. Once the extension is installed, click the Reload Required button to reload Vscode. After reloading, open the command palette by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P and type Flutter New Project in the command palette. Select the Flutter New Project option from the drop-down list. Next, choose the project type you want to create, such as a mobile app, web app, or desktop app. Enter a project name and choose a location to save your project. Click the Create Project button to create your new Flutter project. After the project is created, navigate to the project directory in the terminal and run the command flutter pub get to get all the dependencies required for your project. You can then run your project by clicking the Run button or pressing F5. It is also a good practice to initialize a Git repository for your project by running the command git init in the terminal. This will help you keep track of changes to your code and collaborate with others. To verify that your project is set up correctly, run your app on an emulator or physical device. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the default Flutter app running on your device. You can then start building your app by modifying the code in the lib folder. By following these steps, you can create a new Flutter project in Vscode and start building your own mobile, web, or desktop apps. Remember to always follow best practices, such as initializing a Git repository and keeping your code organized, to ensure that your project is maintainable and scalable.